Happy 70th birthday, Mama. We wish you happiness in life and good health and more birthdays to come. Enjoy your day and we love you and God bless you always. We thank you for all the love and the care and see you soon.
Happy 70th birthday po, Lola. I wish that you have a blessed birthday po. I wish that you enjoy it even if you're not there po. Thank you po for caring and loving me all my life po. I hope that you have more birthdays to come.
Happy birthday, Ma! I wish you good health and long life para na matagal pa tayo magkakasama. Enjoy your birthday, enjoy your special day. We'll see you soon.
Happy 70th birthday, Mama. We love you.
We love you. See you soon.
Happy 70th birthday po, Ma. Wish po namin sa inyo ay good health and many more birthdays to come and parating niyo pong alagaan ang inyong health and thank you po sa pag-alaga niyo po sa aming magkakapatid and see you soon po dito sa Chicago.
Ma, happy 70th birthday po. Sana po magkaroon pa kayo ng maraming birthday and may our Lord God always protect you and thank you din po for being a good mother-in-law sa akin. See you soon po. Happy 70th birthday po ulit. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. We love you.
Love you po.
To the strongest woman I know, to our beautiful mother, happy 70th birthday, Mama. We wish and pray for your good health, happiness, and more birthdays to celebrate. Thank you for everything, for your unconditional love, and for raising me to who I am today. Thank you for always being there. To our Sebi boy, cheers to more blessings, more travels, and adventures ahead. We love you, Mama. Happy birthday, Mama.
Love you.
Say happy birthday, Mama La. Mini.
Birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Mama La.
Hi Ma, happy birthday and more birthday to come. Ingat kayo dyan palagi. See you soon. I love you.
Happy birthday, Mama La. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Mama La. Happy birthday, Mama La. We love you. Flying kiss.
Happy birthday po, Tita. We thank God na naabot niyo po yung age niyo na po yan. And sana po palagi po kayong healthy at safe. God bless po palagi at sa buong family. And thank you din po sa mga pangaral sa amin.
Thank you, Mama, sa pag-abot ng aking pangarap. mula umpisa hanggang ngayon. Salamat sa suporta. Na walang sawa kayong sumusuporta sa akin. Stay healthy po. Sana payagan ako araw-araw sa umalis.
Happy birthday po.
Pwede, Mama.
We love you.
You filled our lives with joy and cheer. A friend so true, a soul so dear.
Surprise! Happy birthday, sister. May you have many more birthdays to come. And see you in Chicago soon. Welcome muna.
Happy birthday, Tita!
Hello! Ate Minnie! Happy birthday! Matagal na tayo hindi nagkikita. I hope that you will enjoy your birthday. God bless you. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Mini. Kumun nagamuran mo yan taon, walay dukoy na bilay mo tang kasil na laman mo. Walay pasyaran midtan.
Hello po Ninang, happy 70th birthday. Wish you good health. Sana po lagi kayong nasa mabuting kalagayan, malayo sa anumang sakit at anumang kapahamakan. More years to come, more candles to blow. Alam ko po nasa inyo na ang lahat. Wala nang ibang mahihiling pa dahil nakamit niyo na po ang pangarap ninyo para sa inyong pamilya at sa inyong mga anak. Sulitin ko na rin po yung pagkakataon na magpasalamat po sa inyo at sa inyong buong pamilya. Maraming salamat po sa Family Garcia dahil lagi po kayong handang tumulong at laging andyan kung free as family. Thank you po. Again, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Lola Mini! We love you!
Hello Mars! Hi! Kumusta? Happy birthday! Wishing you happiness, good health always. Sana maraming ka pang happy birthday na dumating. Ingat lagi! Love you!
Hello, Mars. Oh, ikumpare mo po gito, ha? Happy birthday to you, ha? Mars, happy birthday. Sana marami pang birthday ang darating. Love you, Mare. Hello, Mare. Bye-bye. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Mare. Alright. Love you, Mare.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday po, Ate Mini. Mini, hindi Mimi.
Hindi ba? Oo, sige.
Ano po namin, wish and pray po sa inyo na pagkalooban pa po kayo ng maraming kaarawan tulad nito. At God bless po at loobin po magkita-kita tayo sa September. Excited na po namin makita kayong lahat.
I second the motion.
Okay, happy birthday po and happy Mother's Day
And
na rin
happy
po.
Mother's Day din.
Okay.
Salamat po sa pagpapalaki niyo ng napakabait na anak na manugang namin ngayon, si Mavic.
Thank you po, ate. Happy birthday
Happy
muli.
birthday ulit.
Mare, happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, Mother Mini! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Mama Mini!
Happy birthday Balae. Wishing you more birthdays to celebrate and good health always.
Mini! Happy 70th birthday! Sana tumagal pa ang buhay mo. Maging masaya ka. Maalala mo yung panahon natin. Ikaw naaalala kita. Ikaw ang pagdating ng recess, bit-bit mo na kagad yung mga plastic. Magtitinda ka na, bawat room pinapasok mo. Tapos, pag merong kailangan yung mga kaklase natin, ikaw lang ang pupuntahan nila. May dala kang karayom, sinutid, perdible. Kung meron nga lang kakong kalando sa eskwela, pati panundot, meron ka eh. Bigyan ka pa ni Lord ng mahabang buhay para matagal mong makasama ang iyong pamilya.
Hello, Ninang. Happy 70th birthday and God bless po. Hope sana maging strong pa rin po kayo at beauty kagaya ko. Love you po. Miss you. Ingat po palagi. God bless.
Another year has come and gone. We're gathered here to have some fun. Let's raise a glass to celebrate a special day, a special date. Happy birthday to you. May all your dreams come true. We're so glad you're in our lives. Let's make some unforgettable vibes. You filled our lives with joy and cheer. A friend so true, a soul so dear. Let's dance and sing the whole night through. This birthday's all about you. Happy birthday to you. May all your dreams come true. We're so glad you're in our lives. Let's make some unforgettable vibes. Yeah. Ooh, 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 ooh. You filled our lives with joy and cheer. A friend so true, a soul so dear. Let's dance and sing the whole night through. This birthday